everyone, my name is Disha Arawat and I am from the RN Rural School. Today I am going to tell you something about social issue. So what is a social issue? Social issue is a problem that influences many people within the society. And different people have different perception about different social issues. And some of those social issues I will be discussing in the video further. So now you all must be wondering why she came upon with the topic social issues. So I got this topic to search upon in my vacations, and now I would like to discuss those social issues in brief with you. So let's come. First social issue is bullying. Bullying is the use of force or threat to abuse, aggressively dominate or to intimidate anyone. There are different types of bullying: verbal bullying, cyberbullying, sexual bullying, physical bullying, etc. Effects of bullying are as follows: suicide, positive development, and hormonal changes. It is said that if there's a problem, there's a solution to it too. So the prevention of bullying are: help kids understand bullying, keep the lines of communication open, encourage kids to do what they love, model how to treat others with kindness and respect. Unemployment. Unemployment is a situation in which a person is willing to do job but is not able to find a job. Causes of unemployment in India: rapid growth of population, slow pace of infrastructure growth, underdevelopment of cottage and small scale industries, and underdevelopment of industries. Reduction of unemployment, use of labor-intensive technology, services and employment growth, education, health and employment generation. Poverty. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get minimum basic necessities of life, that is food, clothing and shelter for his or her sustenance. Causes of poverty in India: unemployment, lack of industrialization, over-dependence on agriculture, British rule and many more. Prevention of poverty: accelerating economic growth, agriculture growth and poverty alleviation, accelerating HRD. Fourth, overpopulation. Overpopulation occurs when a species population exceeds the carrying capacity of its ecological niche. Causes of overpopulation: high birth rate and low death rate, poverty, low status of women and low literacy rate. Methods to reduce overpopulation: empower women, promote family planning, one-child legislation. Fifth, gender inequality. Gender inequality acknowledges that men and women are not equal and it affects their living style. Reasons for gender inequality in India: unequal pay, illiteracy, social attitude, customs, belief and practices. Reducing gender inequality: demand the same salary for equal work, help women gain power, educate women. Conclusion of the project: there are many social issues that affect our world day in and day out. I hope this project would help overcome the social issues prevailing in our society. I hope that you all must have got aware about some of the social issues now. Thank you.